From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, State College. I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your Wednesday afternoon forecast. Taking a look outside of Beaver Stadium, if you can't already tell by the water on the screen, it is raining outside and it's coming down pretty hard. So if you're planning to leave your building or your house, you're going to want to make sure you have that rain jacket or that umbrella with you handy. Excuse me. And looking at our current conditions right now, 52 degrees here, so way warmer than what we've been seeing as opposed to last week or even the week before, but some gusty winds outside, 13 miles per hour out of our southeast, so just be aware of that if you have the umbrella, if it might be raining sideways a bit even. Let's take a look at our radar recap. We can see that much of that rain has already moved through, but there's still more rain to come, and much of that severe rain, those heavier downpours, has already moved off to our northeast, but this system is not done yet. As we take a zoom out, we can see right now, here's Pennsylvania. We can see that it is still circling, and we can see that back half of that storm is going to contain some rain as well as the chance for some snow showers, which we will take a look at in just a moment. But taking a quick pivot over to the temperatures right now, 52 here in State College and pretty warm across the Commonwealth. We can see 59 in Erie, and our warm spot right now is 60 degrees in Philadelphia, but we're cracking 50s in most of the state with the exceptions here of our far north and far south with 49 in Johnstown and Bradford. And taking a look across the entire United States, we can see a lot colder up here around the American Midwest and Great Plains, much colder than we've been seeing right now, 27 in Bismarck. But even if we go down as far south as Charleston, we can see not even breaking 70s, but breaking 70s here, 75 in Tampa right now in Florida. And let's take a look right now at that future weather. We can see that rain is still continuing through State College, and as we move through the late afternoon and into the early evening, we can see that much of that heavier rain will push off past the east of Pennsylvania, leaving State College here with some precipitation, but not as strong and more inconsistent. We can see that those rain showers continue through as we approach midnight, as Wednesday turns into Thursday, and we can see around 11 p.m. tonight, we can see right now here the snow chances begin to enter our field of view, and as the night goes on into the early morning, we can see that much of that snow will break up as it hits the elevation to the west of State College, but the chance for some snow to pop through is present, so make sure you're aware of that. But much of that snow threat of any significance will be finished around midday on Thursday, leaving a cloudy but dry Thursday evening into Thursday night. And we can see that those clouds will persist into Friday, and we'll take a look in just a moment here. But first, let's take a look at how much accumulation we're going to expect to see right now. Just over half an inch here in State College. Much of our high accumulation areas are going to be found in eastern Pennsylvania. We can see right now the high projected is going to be Williamsport, about 1.25 inches, and about 1 inch here in Allentown, but much of that high volume precipitation will be isolated here to the northeastern portion of Pennsylvania. And it's worth looking at today right now, the severe weather outlook. Much of Pennsylvania is in a slight risk category, which is about a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather outlook scale. We can see that higher risk for today is enhanced down in parts of Virginia and the Carolinas. So you could expect a chance for maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but right now we're still looking at just a slight risk of severe weather. And jumping right back into the future weather, we can see, starting off where we left off early Friday morning, we can see much of that precipitation, snow and rain, has pushed off to our east, and we can see the start of the next system making its way through the Great Plains and into the Midwest around this time. And as Friday moves on and into Saturday and Sunday, well, just before Sunday rather, we can see that precipitation will come and go as a form of mixed precipitation. We can expect mostly rain with the potential for some freezing rain and or snow, but as quickly as it comes, as quickly as it moves off here on Saturday around 7:30, and looking ahead even into our Sunday around 5 p.m., we can see the clouds will remain, but will be nice and dry. Your forecast for today, 54 degrees with rain and possible thunder, with those wind gusts going to be pretty high with that wind speeds 15 to 18 miles per hour out of our south. And a look at tonight, 34 degrees with a stray shower possible with those winds 10 to 16 miles per hour. And your forecast for tomorrow, we can see 37 degrees, cold and breezy with the chance of some early AM rain, but nothing too significant, and still just as gusty with winds westerly 15 to 20 miles per hour. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We can see that 57 with the thunder possible today, moving into 37, much cooler with those AM rain chances on Thursday. Back up to 44 with some sun returning on Friday, and possibility for sunny on Saturday, 36 and 39, partly cloudy rather, on Sunday, back up to 45 with temperatures rising on Monday, and warm and sunny with a whopping 58-degree temperatures on Tuesday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your Wednesday.